Saint Lucia became the latest country to launch their reproductive education and adolescents community health reach project, a 4-year initiative funded by Canada aimed at improving adolescents' sexual and reproductive health while strengthening health systems. Director Heather McIntosh stated that the project had first been introduced in 2024 following a significant rise in adolescent pregnancies across the region.
REACH project carried out a baseline in 2025 to really inform the direction and make sure we were grounded in what is the reality here in St. Lucia, as well as the other islands, Dominica, Grenada, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines, where we're working. And many of you contributed to the baseline findings. Thank you also for that process. REACH heard from policymakers, providers, civil society organizations, and youth as well in that process from St. Lucia and the other islands. So what did we find? You'll be getting a detailed presentation from my colleague, Dr. Irving Mattox, here later. What I wanted to share was a little bit about what we heard from the youth, because sometimes they're the voices that can be missing in our programming, and this is an adolescent-focused program. So the youth themselves told us that stigma is a concern, especially for girls.
She further stated that one of the major challenges affecting adolescents was their reluctance to seek services at sexual and reproductive health clinics. She noted that a prevailing stigma continued to act as a barrier, with 73% of females and 43% of males reporting a fear of judgment.
And yet, only 3% of boys, young males, and 20% of young females expressed high confidence to actually act on their rights, to exercise their rights, and advocate for the sexual reproductive health services that they need. So you're seeing there a particularly high empowerment gap for boys. So these are some of the nuances we found that really inform the REACH programming going forward, and we're so grateful to have had this information shared.
The project was implemented by Elena International in collaboration with the OECS Commission. For 7 TV News, Josiah Bicette reporting.